Rainfall expected at about 10 millimeters per hour. Likely to stop around 10 p.m.
Now, on my way home.
It's going to rain soon. Jogging today might not be a good idea. How about a home workout routine instead?
Good call. What about dinner?
What about French onion soup? It's your favorite go-to for rainy days.
Perfect.
Brant is on his way. We're making onion soup tonight. All ingredients are available in the refrigerator.
Onions, butter, and cheese detected. All set to cook.
Wall oven. Sending over the recipe now. Can you set it up?
On it.
I'll lower the lighting for a soothing ambience. Air conditioning?
Raising temperature to keep him warm.
Great teamwork, guys. I'm going to get his workout clothes ready.
Hey, Brant. Welcome home.
Hey, CLOiD. Nasty weather we're having out there. You mind taking this wet towel from me?
Sure, I'll get the laundry started. Let me show everyone what I can do.
So this is CLOiD's first big-time press conference. And I know he wants to impress everybody out there. I did remind him earlier, we are America's most reliable lineup of home appliances. So really, no matter what happens here, I know my laundry's going to come out great. Good job, CLOiD. He's pretty cool, right? Yeah. LG's AI Home envisions a seamlessly connected flow between devices, spaces, and human behavior, ultimately achieving our goal of a zero-labor home. This saves both time and effort through convenience and comfort. Say, CLOiD, why don't you take a minute and tell the audience a little more about yourself?
Sure. I facilitate convenience and comfort by orchestrating devices and spaces to manage chores, like toasting your croissant just the way you like it, clearing the dishes after meals, and keeping your day flowing smoothly. I believe people call this ambient care. What powers motor movement are actuators, built on LG's legacy of motion innovation. LG's actuators are a finely engineered integration of motors, gears, and control systems that seamlessly function to deliver smooth, balanced, precision movements. With a keen sense of ambient and contextual awareness, I'm able to boost your everyday life effortless, efficient, and enjoyable. Now, I will leave it to you, Brant.
Thanks, CLOiD. That's very helpful. Let's give CLOiD a hand. According to LG Customer Research Lab, food prep, washing dishes, and doing laundry are among the top 10 chores that customers hope robots will be able to help us with in the future. That's exactly why CLOiD matters. As the finishing touch that completes the AI home, CLOiD enables our customers to experience the zero-labor home. Now, LG understands there are unique dynamics within each household. Who lives there, how they live, what they need in each moment of their day. No two homes are alike. By reducing chores around the house to an effortless level, our focus is to enrich everyday moments for our customers and expand assistance beyond human senses and even physical capabilities. By integrating CLOiD with appliances, AI hubs, and expanded platforms and services like Think You On, Think You Up, and Think You Care, all of which are protected by LG Shield, the AI home will then offer a seamless, total solution